So how to solve two-dimensional Laplace equation by separation of variable method? Okay, so we are going to tell process. Okay, so let's see. Please note up to this. Consider a two-dimensional Laplace equation. Laplace equation. So two-dimensional Laplace equation means what? We know this del 2u. So so टू डायमेंशनल लाप्लास इक्वेशन में क्या होता है u इज इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई होगा, है कि नहीं? लाप्लास इक्वेशन क्या होगी? दिस डेल टू यू डेल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस डेल टू यू डेल वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू जीरो। ओके, देखो आई वांट टू टेल समथिंग। डेल टू यू डेल एक्स स्क्वायर को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? डेल टू यू डेल वाई स्क्वायर को शॉर्ट में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, एंड डेल टू यू डेल एक्स डेल वाई को क्या लिखेंगे? यू एक्स वाई, है कि नहीं? सो व्हाट इज दिस? यू एक्स एक्स प्लस यू वाई वाई इज इक्वल टू जीरो। That is Laplace equation. We can write like this also. Okay, meaning is same Laplace equation. So we assume that the solution of let's say it one, the solution of one is of the form u x y is equal to this form. It means u is of this form. This is product of function of simply x and some function of simply y. Okay, then let's see it two. So what will be u x x? Can you tell me? That means del to u del x square. What will be the value of this? Can you tell me? Because you know u x y is this way. Because capital X x is simply function of x. There is no y involved. And capital Y is simply function of y. There is no x involved. So what will the partial derivative? 2 times partial derivative of this. Because y is a constant here. We are doing partially derivative. Okay. So tell me u y y. What will be this? Okay. Substituting these values in equation 1 what we'll get? In 1 we get what we get? We know that u x x plus u y y is 0. What is the value of u double x? Okay, we can solve this. We can solve this. We can write this as this way. Again, we can write like that this way. Do not mention function is this is a function of x. It is understood already. Okay. So what is this now? Okay. These two things are equal. Let's say this is some k. Okay. Because these things are equal. We are saying that it is a some constant k. Okay. We are considering this as a constant. Okay. Where k is called separation constant. Okay. Now three cases arise. Three cases arise. What are the cases? First case is that case first. Let k is equal to p square. K is equal to p square, where p is real number and p not equal to 0. Okay. It means k is positive. First case we are taking k is positive. If you have a positive number, you can find its square. There will be some real number. Okay. Then what will happen? So we have this one. We have this one. Now we can put the value of p square here. Okay. P square. Now, now what we have? First you take this one, and for the second you take these two combination. So we have ultimately we need to solve for x and y. These are two differential equations we are getting. Okay. So what is this? X double. We can okay. You can check that such type of equation when double derivative is there minus p square x. The solution of this is given by this way. C1 e to the power px plus C2 e to the power minus px. Such differential equations you can solve. It has a standard solution. I'm not going to discuss that one. If you have learned in graduation or somewhere, its solution is given by this way. Okay. What is the solution of this? This such type of equation solution is given by this way. What is that? C3. We are using different constant. Cos px plus C4, sorry, y variable is there now. C3 cos py C4 sin py. This has a standard solution. Okay. So we got x function. We got x function. What is this? And we got y function. Then what is u? U is a nothing but, so this implies what we got solution. Can you tell me? C1 e to the power px, C2 e to the power minus px, okay, into C3 cos py plus C4 sin py. ओके, C1 e to the power px plus C2 e to the power minus px into C3 cos py plus C4 sin py. Okay, so this is the solution. If k is a positive number, if k is a positive number, its solution is given by, because positive number will be square of some real number p, and we got this solution. Okay. Now second case is k can be zero, k can be negative as well. So second case is k is negative. It means sorry, k is zero. Okay, not up to this. So this is the method. Later on, some question will be given and boundary condition, initial condition will be given to you. This constant can be determined. So we'll get values of constant and we will get exact solution, particular solution. Okay. Case 2, let k is equal to 0. Then what will be happen k is equal to 0? We know this one. k का वैल्यू 0 हो गया तो क्या होगा? एक बार ये कॉम्बिनेशन लो, दूसरी बार ये कॉम्बिनेशन लो. तो यहां से क्या आ जाएगा? x डबल डेरिवेटिव 0. और यहां से मुझे बताओ इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस? जब पहली बार डेरिवेटिव को सोल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? C1. जब दूसरी बार सोल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? सिंपल है यार, कुछ नहीं है इसमें, है कि नहीं? ओके. ओके, एंड यहां से क्या आएगा? इसी तरह से ये आ जाएगा y की वैल्यू, है तो सेम ही ना, C3 y प्लस C4. तो ux की वैल्यू क्या आई? uxy क्या है, किसके इक्वल है? C1x प्लस C2 इंटू C3y प्लस C4. देखो हेयर C1, C2, C3 and C4 are arbitrary constant. Okay, arbitrary constant means it can take any value. Okay, similarly earlier case I should also mention. Okay, here C1, C2, C3 and C4 are arbitrary constant. Okay. Now, what is the last case? What is the last case? K can be negative as well. Case third. Let k is equal to minus p square. Where? So it will be negative where p is real number and p is not equal to 0. In that case, p square will be positive. Negative sign is there, so it will be negative. Okay. So we know this one. It is k. k की वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस पी स्क्वायर. ठीक है. तो कौन कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन लेंगे? एक बार ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन लेंगे, दूसरी बार में ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन लेंगे, तो क्या हो जाएगा? इसको सोल्व करके क्या आएगा? इसको सोल्व करके क्या आएगा? देखो पहले वाले केस में क्या था, y डबल डैश पी स्क्वायर वाई था यहाँ पे, तो सॉल्यूशन क्या आया था? y समथिंग करके आया था। इसी तरह x का सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा, क्या आएगा? c1 cos px प्लस c2 sin px। स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन है ये, ठीक है। और इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या आएगा? c3 e टू द पावर px, सॉरी py, c4 e टू द पावर माइनस py। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? ओके, वेयर c1 c2 c3 and c4 are arbitrary constant। ओके,